Hey guys, DJ here, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing my text-based Addendum creator program that comes with membership in my AI tool. So let's say you're out on the road or busy doing something else that you're not in front of your computer and you need to write an addendum on, really this works for any kind of contract, but we'll say real estate contract just for this example, right? What do you do? Now, it can be very tedious to try and create an addendum on your phone until now. Let me show you a better way. So, open up the program. We start by finding the command we need. Now, I already know the command, but for video purposes, we'll go through the process of finding the right command. So we start by typing options to see our command palette. Now we know it's a program, so we are going to look at the programs. And the right command for that is going to be create addendum. So we go ahead and enter create addendum, and you can start with this if you know what command you're calling, but again, just for sake of the video, I'm showing the whole process. Oops. Okay, so we get a message from our AI, and it wants to know the contract date. So we will go with today, which is the 4th, and it wants to know the contract type. And we will say purchase agreement. And then now we input the text of our addendum. Let's just keep it simple. And it shows your input, it generates the PDF, and after about 5 to 10 seconds it sends you a copy of the PDF. You just pull it up over here and we can take a peek. And this is the output that we received. You can see the information matches up with what we put in, and the contract is good to go. All we need to do, we have it as a PDF, so if we're on our phone, we can just send it out from our phone that way because it's a PDF on our phone. Or if maybe we're at home or we're at our office and we just want to write an addendum more efficiently than it would be otherwise without having to log into any outside web service or things like that to create an addendum, you can also use this program. And you saw how quick it was. It took less than a minute. We accessed the command, we input our variables, and out came our addendum. So with that, I want to close by saying, if you have any questions or would like to learn more, reach out to me. Or check out my website, tools.davejmayer.com.